Good morning, Carver Cougars. This is Dr. Hollenbeck with this morning's announcements. Today is Wednesday, September 19th, 2018. It's a great day to be a Carver Cougar. Remember, a little spark of kindness can put a colossal burst of sunshine into someone's day. Upcoming events, well, today we have some students from Doherty High School coming over to celebrate with us. Teachers, make sure to look at the Outlook calendar for the latest updates. Also, today is an embedded plan day. We have a staff meeting and a PLC meeting. And students, don't forget on Monday, September 24th, we don't have school. And teachers, don't forget on Thursday, September 27th, we have Randa Goals with Phoebe Bailey at 2:45. Teachers, please let Mrs. R know if you need help with your Teach Two's notebook. Remember, we don't have cell phone usage here at our school. You can use them before school and after school, but not on the playground, not in the cafeteria, not in the classroom. Now, if you're concerned about your cell phone safety, please visit with your teacher, and so that your teacher can design a safety plan for your cell phone with you and your family. Teachers, don't forget, we take attendance at 9 o'clock and 1 o'clock. And remember, everyone, the 7 steps. Teachers, make sure that we have students speaking in complete sentences. Is it bullying? Remember, there's a difference between being rude, mean, and what true bullying is. And true bullying is when someone says or does something intentionally hurtful and they keep doing it, even when you tell them to stop or show them that you're upset. Maybe you want to use your PBIS tickets to buy time with me. You know, we've been talking about some things we can do. Remember, I love to play Yahtzee, but you'll need to know your multiplication facts. Please, however, do not ask me to play Monopoly. That game is just too long. It just isn't my favorite game at all. Now it's time for our math joke of the day. The son says, "Dad, it's so cold in here." Father says, "Go stand in the corner." Son, "Why?" Father says, "The corner is 90 degrees. I hope you understand that one. If you don't, have your teacher pause the announcements and explain about those 90 degrees. If it is to be, it is up to me. 10 two-letter words to live by, and don't forget the Pledge of Allegiance. But wait, there's more. You know, when we're working on our math problems, we always do math talk. So remember, it's more than just solving the problem. We need to have some collaborative conversations with our peers. So here are some things that you might consider saying. What makes you say that? What makes you think that? Explain your thinking to me. And what's another way to do that? So with today, we're going to learn how to convert fractions to decimals. And remember, math is real life. Here we go. The video clip is very short. I hope you enjoy it.
Hi, I'm Rachel, and today we're going to be going over how to turn a fraction into a decimal using denominators 10 or 100. If we have a number like 3 over 10, that's it written as a fraction. And if we want to think of it as a decimal, we can say that's 3/10. The first number, the first digit after the decimal is the tenths place. So we're just going to write 0.3. That's 3/10. If we have 3 over 100, that's the number as a fraction. We want to turn it into a decimal. The first is the tenths place. The second is the hundredths place. So it's 3/100ths. We're going to put it in the hundredths place. And then we're just going to put a 0 in the tenths place, because that's the number before 3, right? There's nothing. It's 0. If we have 30 over 100, well, that's the same as 3/10, right? If you reduce it. So again, that's 0.3. You can write it as 0.30. It's the same thing, 0.30, right, over 100. And you can say that's the hundredths place. But you don't need to write a 0 because it's after the decimal. So you don't actually need to have that. You can just write 0.3. I'm Rachel, and thanks for learning with us today.